apologize for all my past presidents and senators because most of my board of directors are just joined a few months. It's a great challenge this year to bring in back this foundation of the KL West. It's also a great honor and pleasure to be given this opportunity again. To serve our JCI KL West as the president of 2010. For this year, I would actually like to focus more on this green projects. We actually already spoken to quite numbers of corporates in terms of organizing projects such as planting trees, corporate visits, green business opportunities, and also to create more fellowship among our JCI members.